All right. Are you having problems? Maybe sometime you want to like send some stuff to someone, maybe through WhatsApp or through Gmail, and since it's more than 20 MB or since it's more than 16 MB on WhatsApp, it does not go through. All right. On this tutorial today, I'm gonna show you how to do that. The easiest and most simplest way to do that. Stay right there. I'll be right back. Okay, so to do this, you have to open your browser and you type Wetransfer. Wetransfer. Then click enter, wetransfer.com, and you wait for it to load. So now they are gonna like be asking you to get the pro, but now we're not interested in that. You just calm down. If you don't want to create an account, all you have to do is you have to say, I just want to send files. This is the most technical part. When you reach here, the first thing for you to do is to select what you want to send. Click on this plus icon here and go to what you want to send. Remember, I want to send this 3G meta text effect. So you click on open. Then I see this 56 MB, and this cannot go through WhatsApp, neither can it go through a Gmail or an email. So now you have to write the email of the person that you are sending to. So for example, let me send to one of my Gmails. After that, in this place that I seen, in this other place, you have to right now your Gmail. You see your Gmail, so now you have to type your Gmail. So now, when you come here, you have to click on transfer. But here, before the transfer goes through, they are gonna send you a message to the Gmail, your own personal Gmail. So I don't want to send the stuff, so I won't proceed from here. What will happen for me is that you will go to your Gmail, a code will be sent there. You copy that code into this box. You have to write that code into this box that you are seeing verification code here. Immediately you write the code there, you are gonna click on verify, and once it is verified, it's gonna tell you sent. But for you people, let me just do it. So now what I need to do for me, I need to go to my Gmail and copy the pin from there. So you see we transferred, I've sent my ping. So my ping is 227, that is my ping. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna copy it to the space verification this thing. So it's okay, so that is it. So you click now on verify. Immediately you click on verify, it's gonna start sending, and once it's done, it's gonna notify the person that there's a file for him to download, and all the person has to do is that he's gonna see the link of it below, and you just click on it, and bam, it's gonna download. So thank you very much. That is how to send a file, a big file through Wetransfer. So if you never understood anything, please kindly comment below or be quick to reply. Immediately this sign clicks on 100. On 100, the person is gonna receive a Gmail, and you also are gonna receive a Gmail to show you that the stuffs have gone through. And when the person downloads it, you also receive a confirmation saying that the person have downloaded. So that is one of the advantages of using Wetransfer. So as I said earlier, if you never understood anything, please kindly comment below. I will do that for you.